Hi my loveliest, what's poppin'? Today I'm going to talk about the use effect hook of the reactjs. So, when we talk about the reactjs, we can't forget the use effect hook. As far as use effect is concerned, sometimes it's part of the React functional component. What does it do in the functional component? The use effect hook allows us to manage and perform side effects in our component. Examples of side effects: fetch data from APIs, directly updating the DOM to the timer. How does it work? The use effect accepts two arguments. There are, first, a function that what we need to do in the use effect. Second, dependencies that are state value are properties of the component. The use effect works when the dependencies update in the component at the relevant moment. The dependencies are optional thing of the use effect. We can use the use effect in three ways of the dependency management. First, non-dependency passed works on every re-render. Second, with empty array works only on first render. Last, with state or props values works on first render and anytime any dependency value changes. Okay my buddies, let's see how to use the use effect. First, we have to create functional component. Second, I'm initializing the use state and three use effects via three ways that was explained you. The first use effect hasn't any dependency. The second use effect has a dependency that is an empty array. The final one has a dependency that is a state variable. Okay my loveliest. Next, I'm going to send console log message to the every use effects like this. After that, I am creating a button to update the state value and creating a p tag to show the current state value. Okay, let's run and check how our use effect project works. Somehow, let's wind up wasting your precious time and keep learning. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you in the next video. Keep in touch. Please subscribe, like and comment on my grind. Thanks a bunch for watching my videos. Take care. Bye bye.